Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. I am Emma Ayuwanti and Dina Chandra Wigati, Disna Septi Wulandari, and Fitri Dwi Rahayu. We are from Group 7. In this opportunity, I would like to present telephoning. First, I will explain to you about definition of telephoning. Telephoning is having a phone call. Telephoning holds an important role in the job world, especially as the media to communicate, particularly a communication of long distance. Jadi, definisi dari telephoning itu membuat tugas kita lebih mudah. Seperti seorang profesional harus mampu menghadapi secara profesional, sehingga pada unit ini kita akan belajar bagaimana melakukan panggilan telepon dengan baik. There are some manners in making phone calls, therefore keep the following points in mind. First, speak clearly. Second, don't speak too fast. Third, confirm what you have understood. Fourth, be polite. 5. Be efficient. 6. Know the telephone alphabet. 7. Know frequently used expression. 8. Listen carefully. Telephone English phrase. From this conversation, we can learn phrase for beginning a phone call, taking and leaving message, checking and clarifying information, and finishing a phone call. Jadi, di sini kita akan belajar bagaimana cara memulai telepon hingga mengakhiri telepon itu sendiri.
Expressing telephoning. Expressing telepon. Answering the phone. Menjawab telepon. Good morning, good afternoon, evening. This is speaking. Ini adalah berbicara. How can I help you? Bagaimana saya bisa membantu kamu? Asking for someone. Meminta seseorang. I'd like to speak to. Saya ingin berbicara dengan. Could I speak to someone? Bisakah saya berbicara dengan seseorang yang? Could you put me through to Mr. Jonas please? Bisakah kamu menyambungkanku dengan Tuan Jonas?
Expression telephoning to. Problems. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I can hear you very well. You must have dialed the wrong number. 2. Asking someone to call back. Thank you for waiting. I'm afraid Mr. Jones is not in at the moment. I'm sorry, Mr. John is in a meeting. Can you call back later in the day?
Example informal telephone conversation. Contoh percakapan telepon informal. Linda, hello. Rian, hey Linda, is Rian, how it going? Linda, pretty good, thanks. How about you, Rian? I am fine, sure God is Friday. Hey, Peter there? Linda, yeah, hold on, I get him Peter, Rian on the phone. Peter, hey Rian, what up? Rian, not much. Are you up for going fishing the weekend? Peter, what? There's a lot of background noise, I can barely hear you. Rian, sorry about that, I am at the train station. Was wondering if you wanted to go fishing the weekend. I am heading up to mountain like with some friend early tomorrow morning. Mountain like with some friend early tomorrow morning. Peter, do you need direction to my place? Rian, oh, you still living on Willie Street near to community center. Peter, yeah, thanks Rick. The yellow house number 30. Rian, what? I don't know how to get there. Peter, I'll read. See you tomorrow then. Rian, take care. Bye.
Example formal telephone conversation. Helen, Midtown Computer Solution. Helen speaking. How can I help you? Rian. Hello, this is Rian Bardos. May I speak with Natalie Jones, please? Helen. One moment, please. I will put you through. Helen. Mr. Bardos, I'm sorry. Natalie's in a meeting at the moment. Would you like to leave a message? Rian. Yes, could you ask her to call me back as soon as possible? It is pretty urgent. Helen. Of course. Does she have your number? Rian. She have my office number, but let me also give you my cell. It is blah blah blah. Helen. Let me read that back to you. Blah blah blah. Rian. That's right. Helen. And could you spell your last name for me? Rian. B as in Boston, A R D as in dog, O S as in September. Helen. Okay, Mr. Bardos, I will give her the message. Rian. Thanks a lot. Bye.